Hey everybody, it's Mike from Monkey Fab, and today we got another new product release. This is a 3-inch billet T4 adapter made out of 304 stainless steel. The thing itself is, let's see, we're at 0. So a little over 1.25 inches tall, which gives you a nice smooth transition down. It accepts again, not threaded, so you don't have to worry about your bolts gallbing up and breaking off in. It accepts, that's a flanged 3/8 bolt, and that is a flanged 15mm bolt. Get the wrench in there, no problem. You may have trouble fitting the ratchet wrenches in on these guys, because I did thicken it up a little bit there to give you guys a little bit more meat on that corner due to the wideness of these guys. You can just drop your tube right in, no problem. If you got some kind of crazy angle you want to make or whatever, and super deal. Same quality as the other ones. Really happy with these. And yeah, thanks for dropping in, checking out the product. I will be doing a V-banded welded onto this guy, just like I did with the 2.5 inch. So T4 to 3-inch billet adapter. Check it out.